Hello everyone, I would like to show you how to do slang using a pair of cameras as shown in the video. Let me say it's not necessary to have two identical cameras. You will be able to do stereo slang also if the two cameras are totally different, as is in my case. Let me show you. For instance, in my case, I have a webcam camera here and a ELP camera right here. They have a totally different hardware configuration and different focal length also. First of all, you need to know the intrinsic parameter of each camera in order to know the camera parameters and remove lens distortion, as well as the extrinsic parameter, which allow you to know the position of the camera in relation of each other. To do this, in ucoslam, we have developed 3 tools that will allow you to do all this easily. The first tool, ucoslam array record, will allow you to record and take pictures simultaneously from your camera pair. On the other hand, ucoslam array calibrate will allow you to make the intrinsic and extrinsic calibration of the camera from a set of images. And finally, ucoslam array is the tool in charge of doing slang. Let me explain for you with an example. First of all, we have to do the calibration of the camera, therefore we are going to take a set of image using the Aruco calibration pattern that you can find it inside Aruco or ucoslam project folder. It's like this. Print it and put it in a visible place. Now we will take some picture from different angles and distance. To do this, we go to execute the tool ucoslam array record that is in the ucoslam folder. ucoslam array record. The first parameter is the folder where go to save the image. In my case, stereo array calibration. The first camera, video 1, and the second one, video 2. Okay, now we go to take some picture of the pattern. You can press M to see the markers and press W to save the image. So we will take some image from the different distance and different positions. Okay, let me take one more. Okay, I think it's okay. Now press escape to exit. Now that we have the image, let's perform the calibration of the stereo pair. To do this, execute ucoslam array calibrate tool with the first argument is the folder where do you want to save the calibration file. Make a stereo array calibration. sorry, the first parameter is where we save the image, and the second parameter is the stereo calibration file. In my case, stereo array calibration. I go to call it stereo .yml on the side of the marker in meters. The point. Okay, now I start the process. And here we have the stereo calibration file. Last but not least, we do a slam from a video that we are going to record with the recording tool. We are going to record a small video in order not to make the tutorial too long. We execute again the tool ucoslam array record. Where do you want to save the video? In my case, stereo array. The first camera, the second camera, and in the same way, to record video, instead of press W, you should press S. Now I start to recording, and to stop, press again S. And now you should process the videos using the tool ucoslam array. The first parameter is the calibration file. Using array calibration, and the file is stereo ym. The first video, in my case array cam 0, and the second video is stereo array cam 1. Okay, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much.